Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look at the little guy.
Won't get in trouble.
Goodbye. It's nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Take it easy, Mark.
That's it. You guys are all packed.
Yeah, we're ready. I didn't bring much. You have a good flight home.
Are you ready to go?
Matthew, you good boy.
You the bridesmaid. You the bridesmaid. Then Mark will cry when you get married.
I'm not going to let her get married. Want to throw it?
1, 2, 3. Hold on.
All right, one more time. One more time to throw it. We got to stop.
Celebration. Enjoy.
Try again.
That was really good.
Oh, he's still taking pictures. Nice.
I don't know. What do you want to say to Chrissy and Brandon?
Hi, Chrissy. We got a good party today. You want to watch me? Yeah.
That's funny. Okay, walk down the stairs for me.
Okay, hold on. Mommy!
Wait, Seth.
Look at my wedding dress. Look at my wedding dress, Chrissy. Oh! I just... What is it?
What time was that? 4 o'clock? Yeah. I thought it smelled good.
This is my wedding dress and I get to keep it.
The last one was
Yes,
hard. I don't know what to say.
What did Chrissy do last night with the flowers?
Thank you for throwing it.
Throw them again.
What did kids do this summer, Jeff?
You want to throw them again? Okay, turn around and look at me. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I almost caught that.
Ah!
Then I could get married.